I hope you guys are all having an amazing day wherever you are. I have been getting a lot of messages about how you guys are missing my vlogs, and I have to say I'm sorry. I have not been vlogging like I said I would. So today we're gonna vlog. Today I actually found out how many embryos survived, and you might have already seen that video. The house is a total disaster right now. I will show you what it looks like. There has been so much going on, and I feel like because I haven't vlogged, there's a lot to catch you up on. So here is my little garden. We are planting some more seeds because these ones did amazing. As you can see, I'm so proud of them. So these are my pothos that I propagated from my sister's plant. I'll show you guys snow in a second. Just getting a diaper change right now. Look at the roots on these things. Isn't that so cool? I think it's amazing how you can like grow plants, new plants from like old plants. And that's what that looks like. And then how sweet is this, you guys? My dad got me this plant for Valentine's Day. I thought that was so nice. He's so sweet. We have a basil plant here. Some of these are not doing too well. Like these over here, they're really leggy and they're just like not doing well, but some of these are just thriving. I have my little grow light here. This thing has been a lifesaver because we don't get enough sun. I did a whole gardening video, so I'll definitely be sharing that soon. I know probably a lot of you guys like won't watch it and it won't get very many views, but I don't care because it's exciting for me, and I know some of you guys have been wanting to see it. So those are snow peas. This is cilantro. This is like kale and lettuce, cucumber, beets, squash, zucchini. I think there's a tomato back there somewhere, beets, and yeah, and then here's a little avocado seed. I'm pretty sure I burnt the roots. And then I had some more avocado seeds I was trying to grow in here, but I need to transplant these, and I bought all the stuff to do it, and then I need to plant more seeds. So before we get into the rest of the video, I just wanted to stop and say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Greater Than Sports Drinks. I know in a lot of my videos, I'm always telling you guys to stay hydrated, but a lot of you guys don't like drinking water for some reason. So I really wanted to introduce this drink to you, Greater Than Sports Drinks. It's all natural, all clean ingredients, gluten-free, paleo-friendly, no added sugars. It's vegan, caffeine-free. Again, super clean ingredients. This is so amazing if you like work out a lot and you want to stay hydrated, or if I know a lot of people are getting sick, like this is such a healthy drink option if you're feeling like sick or you're getting the flu. I know a lot of moms that are like nursing, this is a great way to stay hydrated for your milk supply, or if you're pregnant and you're feeling nauseous or having headaches. I mean, like this is so amazing for so many things. I feel like everyone should have this stocked up in their fridge. If you haven't tried it before, I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. At least try it, see if you like it. Greater Than was nice enough to offer you guys a coupon code. So all you have to do when checking out is use code GT20 and just go to drinkgt.com so you can try it out for yourself. And I'll also leave a link down below in my description box. These are so freaking good. I don't know if you guys have heard of the body armor drinks. To compare the two like side by side, Greater Than is only 35 calories and the body armor is 70 calories. It's just the ingredients are so much better. Basically, this is like made with coconut water and this is made with cane sugar. Other like huge thing, because I'm trying to be like more zero waste, is that plastic, like we're trying to stay away from plastic, and so the fact that this is in like a paper bottle is so much better for the environment. So that alone, like I love, and the ingredients are just way better in the Greater Than the body armor, and these are like basically a Gatorade replacement but way better for you. Hi Bubba. And also Snow loves these too. You love your, and I feel like safe giving them to her, huh? She knows. She's like, yep, this is my yummy juice. Want some? How do you put it in your mouth? She's getting little sips. Okay, here. I'm gonna give you some more sips. Okay, let's put it the other way. Ready? I'm gonna get a little juice in. Mmm. There's only 10 ingredients in the Greater Than. There's 20 ingredients in the body armor. So it's just a lot less sugar also. There's 18 grams of sugar in the body armor and only 7 in the Greater Than. You basically just have like high electrolytes and low sugar. So it's just like a great drink alternative to like the ones that are not so great, like body armor and Gatorade. So I would highly recommend, if you haven't tried them, to check them out. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below if any of you guys are interested. They're really tasty and they have a bunch of different flavors, so you should definitely check them out. Okay, so anyway, now that I've caught you up on my favorite new sports drink to keep me hydrated, here's my handsome husband. You wanna say hi?
I don't know about handsome. More like stunning. Hey-o! I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you're stunning.
I think that's the same thing. Oh, and you too,
You're
Duck-a-Duck.
beautiful and smart too, sweet girl. She's like, can you just open my drink for me? She really loves those drinks. Mommy loves them too. So does Daddy. Travis loves them also. Okay. Let's see. What else can I catch you guys up on? Oh, so why am I so out of breath? I think because I'm trying to talk so much, I like get out of breath. A lot of you guys have been asking, like, they're like, I hate reading. I feel you, girl. I hate reading too. They're like, when is your audiobook gonna be out? You've been saying it's gonna be out forever and it's still not here. And I just wanna let you guys know, I'm sorry. I am such a procrastinator, but look what I got. I got this stuff to do my audiobook. And this is like my old one. It's not as good. But now that we have 2 mics, we're also starting a podcast, baby, which I'm really excited about. But first I need to do my audiobooks, and then I'll do my, and then I'll start the podcast, and I think it'll be really fun. What else? Oh, guess what, you guys? I'm actually going to be getting plastic surgery again. Surprise. You're probably like, Shannon, aren't you going through IVF? Yes. But now that we have our embryos and we're doing a frozen embryo transfer, and what that means is we basically have time in between from when we transfer to be able to do some plastic surgery. And it's not the plastic surgery that you're thinking of. I wish it was like a lip lift or something. That's something I've always wanted. Like, instead of getting injections, they like, I mean, maybe they can do it while they're doing my, Travis, like, yeah, right. But have you heard of the upper lip lift? I've always wanted one of those. I think I could really benefit from them. I don't like need it, but it's like more of like a want. But what I do need is to get my implants out. So that's the plastic surgery I'm actually going to be getting. And it's called an Explant. And some of my friends have done this and they like say it's the best thing they've ever done. It's basically where they remove your implants, your breast implants, and then also take out the capsule around it. Hi, sweet girl. You wanna come hang out with Mom? She's such a mama's girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're so sweet, honey. I love her. I'm literally obsessed with Snow. My mom's like, are you ever gonna just like leave her and go on a vacation or something? I'm like, no. No, because I don't want to be away from you. I would miss you too much. Let's see those teeth. She wants to vlog really bad and she'll get upset if I don't give her the camera. But basically they take the capsules that the implants had around, and I have capsular contracture really bad in this boob. It's like really painful. Every time Travis hugs me, he's like, oh my God, baby, you gotta get that. You gotta get those out. I'm like, I know. They're probably making me sick. And contributing to any like autoimmune issue that I have. So we have been looking up different doctors that specialize in explant surgery. Although my mom has worked in plastic surgery almost her whole life, and she says you can go to any plastic surgeon and they'll do it. So I don't know, we'll see. The problem is that they want you to have stopped breastfeeding for at least 6 months before you get the surgery. And I had spoken about this before and people are like, just wait until after you get pregnant again, nurse, and then do it. But that's like another probably over 3 years that I would have to wait. And this is pretty painful. And if it is causing any problems, like I want to just get them out. And so I was hoping I could find a doctor that's like, oh, well, just 3 months after breastfeeding is fine, we'll take them out. So I'm gonna call around and see. I don't know like what the 6 months is. Like if it's like can risk an infection, then I totally understand and I don't want to do it sooner. But if it's just like not that big of a deal, then I'd like to get them out soon so then I can heal up from that and then do my transfer, get pregnant, and live my best life. So we'll see. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to catch you guys up and let you know what's going on. She's also learned to go off the back of the couch, and she's so tall, you guys, that like she's fine. She does it off beds and everything now. She's growing so fast. You're growing so quick, aren't you? Are you growing so fast? My sweet angel, I love you so much. She like pushes up on my legs to, oh my god, to get up higher on me. Yeah, she's so smart. You're so smart, aren't you? My smart girl. You're so strong. Love you, Bubba. Anyway, so I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little vlog, let you know what's going on, and catch you guys up on me getting my explant surgery. Have a kiss. She doesn't know kisses yet. Have a kiss. Or maybe she just doesn't want to kiss me. Have a kiss. She's like, oh, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, here, you can hold it. You want the camera? There you go. Okay, be gentle, okay? Don't break it. Don't break it. They can't see you. They can't see you. Show them your face. Yeah. No. Don't touch that. Don't touch that part, okay? You get her a selfie stick and get a camera that's like won't break. You know, like the cases that you put. The cases that you put for the kids, like the tablets. Okay, you're making people sick. Here, can I have that back, please? Oh, thank you. Oh, that's a good one too. Dang it. All right, hopefully my camera still works. All right, we love you. Thank you guys for watching. We're sending you all of our love and all of our positive energy. I hope to see you in our next video.